Guys, welcome to Bridgeton Investment. Oh, with what has happened in markets this weekend? Oh my God, this weekend was a terrible day for this world. Anyone who is stuck between wars, please stay out here. Hope you are all safe. I got a lot of people who are in Dubai who are also in crisis, but it's not that serious in Dubai. What they say, they're safe and sound. Oh, so today's Nifty, I don't want to say we all expected, exactly on 20 last August. I told, 1 week before, I told that bull was just, that bull we saw, the last bull market we saw, which was on Tuesday or Monday, I'm not sure. So this was just a precaution. This is just a bull trap. Don't get attached to it, you know. And boom, and what happened? Market crashed, because I know Iran-US trade deal was Iran-US war negotiation was not going perfectly what everyone expected. Plus, I was seeing Trump since his presidency term, he was very adamant. He's particularly both business. He won't go against US, and that was his saying. He's willing to do anything. A lot of happened this weekend. Iran striked. Gulf countries. Even Iran's supreme leader got killed, and his interim supreme leader also got killed. A lot has happened. However, today also there's still no sign of negotiation. I taken this is my overall positions for today. Small loss. I tried MTF today. You know what? Because I was expecting a DII pump. Generally at 12:30 to 12:31 you expect a DII pump. DII always pumps this and when there's a big crash, but they were also very late to react. So I bought MTF, what do you call Asian Paints. I wanted to hold Asian Paints, but that it hits the top loss. However, even I went long on Reliance, Nika, and Tejas. Tejas Networks. I'll give a breakdown on Tejas Networks. It's one of again loss-making companies. First of all, what I know is it has still dues of Vodafone Idea. So which is also a bad sign. If you are a proper into in stock Indian stock market, you would know how bad Tejas Vodafone Idea is. So I was taking a good shot, because all market were in red. All markets were in red. And why Tejas is facing so much of it has very big debt, lot of everything, and still it was facing going on a bullet. So I shorted, didn't work out. Shorted here, didn't work out. Now it started consolidating when it's 12 2:30. I don't like to short after 2:30 when there's bearish market. It started to crash. You know, it started crash. Perfect setup it faced for tomorrow to short. We had to see how market is because for me tomorrow is again a bearish day. However, you have to be cautious after 11:30. There may be sign of a negotiation may start happening. Some sign of negotiation may start happening. This will be over by this week. I'm that is my analysis. So that is why I'm going considering to take a good long. I added few to my Reliance spot portfolio. I added 5 shares to my Reliance spot portfolio, and we'll see how war is beginning to come out this week. Because this whole week I was busy with this war. Now I was facing on how market is, and a lot of things. First thing first, Saudi Aramco refinery got hit, which is one of the largest and one of the biggest. They get Reliance get oil from Saudi Arabia, which is also one of the and that they refine it and sell it to the European markets, and that also got it. This is why Reliance crash was expected. Reliance crash was expected. It faced one of the biggest crash bought around this went long on its spot portfolio. I bought some from a spot, but this was a very big crash. Reliance has failed because now Reliance may switch back to Russia oil because Strait of Red is blocked. Oh no, in Iran, if you had to cross to Arabian Sea, there's like a small path you have to go narrow. Now only Russia and China are only allowed to cross the path. You know, uh, Russia and China. Other countries, US will not enter this path, and this has caused the oil markets to crude oil price. If I can open crude oil here, yeah, crude oil price to go up, and which is a good. This is just sign of 1%. Reliance revenue might start increasing. However, this is just a sign. It will not get affect. I'm sure in the next 2 week, 1 week, this week the war will die down a bit. Because Nifty is Nasdaq and S&P also is in a very huge losses. Is in a very bad crashes today. So we will see how market follows up for this 2 weeks. Uh, Another thing which I wanted to discuss was perfect setup it formed around like 2:30. I wanted to short it here. Actually, I wanted to short it here, but 2:30 I don't like to short. If I have to do it intraday, of course you can. However, I was following news for MTF for short position, so it isn't available. So that's it. So that's it from my side today. I'll be following a lot with the Iran war. Hopefully some sign of negotiation do come. I'll be following till 11:30. That time we may see a DII pump again coming up. So uh, mm, that's it from me today. Please like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.